सो आम्ही आज सीएमाक म्हणजे लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकराक एक लेटर बरयला की ताका सांगपाक आणि हे लेटर कशें आसा 19 तारखेक दॅट इज ऑन 19th of August your brother in law and GIDC field officer Ghanshyam Malmotkar was caught red-handed by ACB while accepting a bribe of 1 lakh. The following day, on 20th of August, you assured the people of Goa that you would not interfere in the probe and your relatives were bound by the law. However, on 30th October, you transferred one of the officials involved in the raid of your brother-in-law, P.I. Raposo, out of ACB. Further, SP George, who supervised the operation against your brother-in-law, was also shunted out of ACB a few weeks later. On 9th February, it was reported that SP of ACB, Mr. Das Gupta, and the investigation officer in the same case were seen in front of your house with the file containing the same case, pertaining to the same case. Now, it is a shocking development that after all of these events, you have reinstated him without any further inquiry. So this is a slap on people of Goa when your government, when you all claim that you all are zero tolerant towards corruption. Are we to interpret that you are zero tolerant if you are not corrupt? Or you are not wanted if you are not corrupt? Is this what the message the Honorable Chief Minister is sending to the bureaucracy?
आणि 7 दिवसाच्या आत या घनश्याम मालवणकरला त्याची खरी जागा ऍक्च्युअली तुरुंग आहे. 7 दिवसाच्या आत जर त्याला सस्पेंड केला नाही तर आम्ही प्रत्येक मतदारसंघात जाऊन आम्ही आंदोलन करणार, धरणे धरणार आणि 40ही मतदारसंघात आंदोलन केल्यानंतर शेवटी मुख्यमंत्र्यांच्या निवासस्थानी आम्ही मोठा मोर्चा घेऊन जाणार आहे.
7 दिवसाची मोहलत दिली ताका. मुदत दितले. वी हॅव टू गिव हिम टाइम टू ऍक्ट. 7 दीस, या 7 दिसा भितर जर तो करना, ह्या भितर आतले मदी हे 7 दिसात आम्ही लोकांच्या मदां वचून डोर टू डोर करून घरांनी वचून लोकांक सांगताले की हे झिरो टॉलरन्स ऑफ करप्शन म्हणजे कितें. हे उलयतात एक आणि करतात दुसरें. हे आम्ही सगळ्या लोकांक जाणीव करतले आणि त्यानंतर जर तरी ताणें कांयच करू ना तर आम्ही ताच्या मोर्चा घेऊन ताच्या घराकडे वतले. ताका काडपाचो ताची खरी जागा तुरुंगात रेड हँडेड धरला.